myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Today I am going to teach you how to play the classic Beatles song, Let It Be. This song is so beautiful. It's so perfect. It's a great early song for you to learn if you don't have a lot of piano skills, and I'm going to teach you all the steps right now. I'm Brenda Earle-Stokes. I'm the owner and creator of Piano and Voice with Brenda. I make creative and practical resources for singers, pianists, music educators to help you to raise your level, improve your skills, and become a more versatile musician. Let It Be is the title track from the Let It Be album released in 1970. One of those really magical records where so many beautiful songs, so many classics were on this one single record, and this song really became an anthem of its own. And so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a couple of different options of how to play the chord. I'm going to teach you an accompaniment strategy. I'm going to kind of put it all together for you. What I like to do is give you some options. So if you're a less experienced pianist, you have some choices that you can make. And then if you're a more experienced pianist, you can put more of the sounds into play. So without further ado, let's get started. So this song is in the key of C, which means pretty much everything we're going to play is going to be white notes today. So that is a huge bonus. The chords of this song goes from C to G, A minor, A, C, E, to F, and then it goes from C to G, and then we do this kind of walk down thing where it's going to go from F, C over E, D minor to C. Okay, so I want to show you just this first part of the song, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to smoothly work our way through. So we're going to go from C to G, A minor to F, C to G, and then to get through this section, you're going to go F, this is an F in second inversion, so C, F, A, and then you're going to play the C triad in your right hand with an E in the bass, and then you're going to go to D minor in second inversion, and then to C in second inversion. So you're going to go. All right. So that's the F, C, D minor in second inversion, and then C in second inversion. With the left hand going da, 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 da. And that's going to be the same time every time. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. See, that little pattern keeps coming through. So the chorus goes A minor to G, F, and C. And then it does what it did before, C to G, and then this little tag thing, just like that, all right? So what we're going to do now, actually, let's do the verse one or the chorus one more time. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Just like that. All right. So the groove for this song is the typical pop rock ballad. This works so brilliantly for this. And I'm actually going to link this video here where I break it down if you want to kind of go deeper into this. And I'll leave you a link to that in the description box below where I demonstrate this and give you several examples if you want to dive in a little bit deeper. So it's going to sound like this. I'll break it down for you in a second. I promise. Then it goes. So this groove goes both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left. And so the way that I always tell people to do this is tap it on your lap. You can't see my lap. It's down here. So I'll tap it on the piano so you can see my hands. But it goes both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left. And if you were going to sing along with this, you want to get the coordination together. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. So this is a great way to practice it so that you're not trying to struggle with the chords too. You can turn the recording on and tap and sing. This is a great way you can practice like when you're stuck in traffic or you're picking your kids up from soccer practice. Really great way to use your time away from the piano. So let's put it together. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And in my, so you see how that all comes together? So this is a great starting place. And if this is all you want to do, you're totally fine in doing that. What I'm going to do is show you some different options that you can use to negotiate through the chords. And this is something called voice leading. Voice leading means we're going to use different inversions of the chord so that we don't have to move our hand around so much. So it's for ease of use, but also it's to have a nice color or a quality to the song. So we don't have to do exactly what Paul McCartney plays on this. You can if you want. We can kind of do it any way we want. So I'll show you, I think, essentially what he plays. Is he starts by playing C in first inversion. And then the G in second inversion. See that? And then the A minor in first inversion. And then F in second inversion. So it's going to go C, so E, G, C, G, second inversion, A minor, first inversion, F, second inversion. So it goes C, root position, and then G, second inversion, and then we're going to do your thing here. All right, so let's try that together. How that sounds pretty. Let's try it again. So it's just one option that you can try. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Notice I'm doing octaves in my left hand. You can always do that. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. See, so I was sticking sticking to the one I showed you, but then after that, I was kind of like, we could do like kind of a mix of any of those. And if you want to get deeper into chord inversions, I'm going to leave you a link to a couple of videos that I made on that. I'll link to one of them here about showing you how to work through chord inversions. It's a cheap and cheerful way for you to be able to add a lot of interest to your songs. So there's one more thing that we want to add to this, and that is the little instrumental thing that goes... So we start with F, E minor, D minor, C. So we'll do that again. F, E minor, D minor, C, and then it goes B flat, and then F over A. So this is F in the first inversion, and then it goes G, F, C, and I'm doing C in first inversion. So if I go... Let's start with that one. I'm going from this F major shape in second inversion, E minor, second inversion, D minor, second inversion, C. So let's do that again. And then we're going to go to B flat in second inversion to F with an A in the bass, and then G root position, F root position, and then C first inversion. So it goes B flat. Oh no, I'm sorry. This one, B flat, F, G, F, and then C. You can scroll back on this one a couple of times if you need it. It's tricky. One more time. And then it's got the organ part, right? And then there's a solo, right? So if you wanted to play the solo, you could just play the root and the fifth in the left hand. I'll explain this to you, don't worry. So what I'm going to think about is the C pentatonic scale. And I always like to think about it G, A, C, D, E. And then if you want to make it bluesy, you can put that E flat in there. So I'm going to go. And I'm just improvising using those notes. How I did that. And so this is something that you can plop right into it if you want to give it a go. It's just the notes of the C pentatonic scale and then the C minor pentatonic scale back and forth, just as I showed you a couple weeks ago in Old Time Rock and Roll. This is a really borrowed from the blues. Remember, the Beatles are very influenced by this, so it's going to show up. It's going to show up a lot, which it does. And this is a great way to kind of incorporate some improvisation. So let me play a little bit more of the song just so you can kind of get a feel for it, and then you can figure it out. You can do from here. All right. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, yeah, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Solo section. Let it be, let it be, let it be. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and you had some fun learning a new song, maybe getting some new techniques that you can use to not only help you play Let It Be better, but take some of these techniques, some of these ideas, and apply it to other songs too. If the video was helpful, leave me a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment in the comments below. I would love to hear what you're working on, what songs you're interested in, any questions you might have. It's my pleasure to answer you. If you want to learn more about me and get some cool free resources, check out my website, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com. There I have like just gobs and gobs of cool stuff for you to check out. And better yet, you should definitely have a look at The Versatile Musician, my all-inclusive membership site that has like 15 entire courses, hundreds of videos, great printable resources, and lots of practical support. We do a monthly live Zoom call. I create custom workshops requested by members. It's a really, really cool and supportive environment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.